structure and process for email writing. Exist, consist of. To be formed from things or people mentioned. Exist, include. To be real, to be present in a place or situation. Category, pattern. A group of people or things with specific features in common. Category, pattern. A regular arrangement of lines, shapes, colors, or features. Pattern, type. A specific example of a class or group of things or people. Consist of, include. To have a second thing as one of its parts. Last, previous. Happening or existing before an event that you are talking about now. Stage, task. A piece of work that has to be done. Procedure, stage. A point, period, or step in a process. Procedure, task. A series of actions done in a particular order or way. Previously, regularly. Often. Involve, transfer. To move from one place to another. Follow us for more interesting content like this.